In today's video, we're taking a look at how to remove an electrical light switch easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Always remember to contact a professional for your electrical needs. So you woke up today with the desire to take that DIY list and hit it in the gut. To show it why they call you the king, queen, both, or none of your castle. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So the first thing that you want to do is locate your house. Now that you looked everywhere and you said to yourself, yes, this is where I live. Now, the second most important thing that you need to do is locate the light switch that you're going to replace or install. Now, the third thing that you need to know and do is locate the breaker for that particular light switch. Or for extra precaution, you could turn them all off or turn off the main switch. We're still marbled on how this dropped to the third one on the list, but we're glad it did make it. Now we're ready to start the process, and because you can never have too much safety, we want to take our non-contact voltage detector and verify that we don't have electricity in our workplace, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day or any kind of day is to die. Now that we're confident that all the electricity that's going on, it's outside of your home, we're ready to start removing the faceplate. In our case, is a flathead screw. In your case, it could be a Phillips screw. We want to go ahead and remove the two screws that hold the faceplate in place, and we can use the ancient technique of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and a pro tip, using a knife, a blade, a putty knife, a box cutter, and scoring all around the faceplate may make the difference from this becoming a light switch replacement to a paint job. We go ahead and remove the faceplate, and because we value life more than anything in the world, we triple confirm that there's no electricity in our workplace, because the last thing you want is to fix this for somebody else. Now, depending if your painter, aka you, painted over the outlet, we can go ahead and start unscrewing the two screws that hold the old light switch in place. And if you do have paint on the screws, you can use a putty knife or a box cutter or a knife or any sharp object that you have to remove the paint from the screws, even your screwdriver. We follow the rules of the waters, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Another pro tip, saving all the parts and screws is the way to go, because you know, in the mysterious world of DIY, screws going missing is a daily occurrence. You have more chances of finding the sock on your laundry than a screw that went missing. And we still have a reward out for our last DIY job, so if you find them, please call the tip line. We go ahead and remove the light switch from the wall softly and gently, like you're taking it out on a romantic dinner, because the last thing you want is to remove paint from that wall. As you can see, our ground wire was connected to the screw that holds the switch in place. In your case, it might be connected to the green screw. This particular switch has two wires, one to the left and one to the right. We're going to start loosening the screws so we can remove the wires. If you notice you need to remove the whole screw to be able to remove the wire, you can as well. Just remember to save the screw. We go ahead and do the same thing for the other side or for the other wire. If in your case you have to do this to the ground wire as well, then you want to go ahead and remove that one as well. Now that you become a master in wire removal and you don't know which one is the positive, an easy way to find out is turning back the breaker on, remembering to let everybody know that you have a live wire loose, telling yourself not to touch it as well, and using your non-contact voltage detector, we can go over the wires to see which one has electricity. In our case, is the white wire. Now that we survived that haunting, we go back to the breaker and turn it back off. If you want to check out our video on how to replace a light switch, we'll leave a link on the description. And now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You conquered the domains of the electrical light switches of your home. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. watching, and here's a link to our latest video.